Okay, our next step is going to be to thread our bobbin into our machine. So if you remember, our bobbin thread sits in the bobbin case and then it goes in this little door down here. So the first thing you want to do is hold your bobbin so that the thread is coming down this right hand side. So hold it where it's looking like that, and then it sets into the bobbin case. Just like that. We're going to look for this slit over here on the side of our bobbin case and pull the thread so it goes through. Now we want the thread to come out this opening down here. The way we're going to do that is by putting a little bit of pressure with our thumb on the bobbin and pulling so that it comes through there. Sometimes you have to give it a little bit of a wiggle to get it to come through there. Some bobbin cases are a little bit more stiff than others. If you've done this correctly, you should be able to hold your bobbin in your case like this. It will fall out if you dump it, so don't dump it like that. But there should be enough tension on the thread that it holds, okay? The next step is the bobbin case with the bobbin in it needs to go into our machine. So we always say thumbs up into the machine. So this is our thumb, and we're going to put it into our machine with the bobbin facing the machine, and listen for the click. That's how you know you've placed it all the way in. Our last step is we want this thread here, the bobbin thread, to come up through our throat plate to be able to sew with our top thread. To do that, we're going to use our top thread to go down and pick it up. So you want to hold on to your top thread, not the bottom. Just hold on to the top. You're going to give your flywheel one full turn. And I know it's a full turn because my needle comes all the way down and all the way back up, but also my thread take up is going to go all the way back to the top. I'm going to give my top thread a little pull, and I can see that it brought up my bobbin thread. So now I can pull that out, and both pieces of thread are going to sit to the back. I can then close this door and I'm ready to sew. Don't be frustrated if you don't think it got your bobbin when you gave it a full turn the first time. Sometimes some troubleshooting is that you haven't raised your thread take up all the way, so you may need to do that. If you've raised it all the way to the top, you pull on your top thread and it's still not pulling anything up, then you can do another full turn. However, if you turn too many times, then you're going to end up just tangling your thread here. So try just one full turn, pause, make sure everything's up, and pull on your top thread, and it should come up through. Okay, when both threads are setting to the back, then you're ready to sew.